Okay, so we've got to give our answer in standard form here. Okay, but when you look at the numbers here, it says the number of stars in the Milky Way, 300 billion stars. Okay, well, that word billion, obviously it's given the number in terms of words. Okay, we need to have the numbers in figures, right? Otherwise you're not going to be truly answering this question. Okay, in standard form you don't want to have the word billion after it, or million. Okay, so if we deal with this here first of all, just to see sort of what this number is in terms of how many zeros. Well, 300 billion, we're told that a billion is 1,000 million. Okay, so essentially we can write that down, can't we? So we've got 300 billion means we've got 300 times 1,000 million, because that's what a billion is, and we've got 300 of them. So 300 times 1,000 million, and we should know that a million, of course, has got 6 zeros in it. Okay, so million's got 6 zeros, so 1,000 million would be then 1,000 times then this here. That's what a million is, with 6 zeros. So what we can do then is write that then with what it is as a whole. Well, it's quite easy to do this, isn't it? 3 times 1 is 3, and then just count how many zeros we've got there. So there's 11 zeros. Okay, I think I've got 11 there. Yeah, so then what I would do is I'd write that in standard form. Okay, and in standard form that would be 3 times 10 to the power 11. Okay, because there's 11 zeros and we've just got a single number there, but you should always check, right? You should always check the decimal point is there. We want it here, so then obviously it's got to do 11 jumps, isn't it, in this case, because there's 11 zeros. Okay, but always check that there. So that's how many we've got for how many stars are in the Milky Way. And then we've got 500 billion galaxies. So this is the stars, the number of stars. So in a similar sense then, it's going to be exactly the same for the number of galaxies. Okay, 5 times 10 to the 11. Now, in each of the galaxy, we've got this amount of stars. So in terms of how many stars there are in total, we need to multiply these together, yeah? So we're going to have this amount of galaxies times then this amount of stars in each galaxy. So on my calculator, I'm going to do that, right? And if you type that into your calculator, okay, so I've typed it in here, and I've pressed equals, and it's just worked it out for me. So 1.5 times 10 to the power 23, that's how many stars there are.